I'm just going to be trying ChatGPT-5 and seeing what we can do with it. The real deal, or is it just hype? So this is a game that I've had in my mind for a long time, and Anna, not right now. I gotta close this. And yeah, I've just been like, I've had this idea for a very long time. So I want to see if I can actually get ChatGPT to make this game for me. So let's see what it can do. So right now I'm trying to run it on localhost. So I actually created the interface, which is pretty sick. But none of the buttons are working. Oh shit, wait. This popped up. But when I shoot the console... Okay. So let's run this. Let's just see what it can do. I think everything's working. I wish it would just run it. Like, I don't feel like I need to check any of its work. Download didn't work. It's using CDN to update the libraries it needs. Fallback mechanism, the feedback files. So running it. Let's test it. So the first thing is just getting a chess game to work, which I'm actually surprised it can't do that easier. Uncaught type error. And so we're just going to keep on feeding it the feedback that we're getting from the console. All right. How's everyone doing? But I think it should be pretty dope once this thing's done to just have a new game. You know, something that it's a game I've had in my mind for a long time. So let's just see if we can get this stuff working. It's pretty simple. So it has the HTML that renders the chessboard. The second thing, it just has some simple styles. They have in our CSS file, which are working. But for some reason, it really doesn't want to, it's returning a 404, run this command. I'm just gonna try to run it manually and see if I can run it directly in my terminal. So I'm gonna open up a new terminal and let's see if the file exists. It doesn't. Okay, so now it's in there. For some reason, Cursor's not connecting to my terminal properly. So I gotta kind of run it that way. I click new. Nothing's happening. We have two issues. Yeah, it's like a CORS error. I think what I might do is I'm just going to delete this progress. And, or here, why don't we just try this? Okay. Skip. Okay, I'm gonna do this. And just go with the agent, and then you gotta make sure to choose ChatGPT-5. Okay. Chess.js library. We're gonna try doing this. The thing is that it doesn't just run. Oh, maybe it did this time. So it's running on localhost 8331. Let's try that. Okay. I assume I have to click new. Chess.js not found. So for some reason, it's not actually getting the let's just add it ourselves. Yeah, we can do that. chess.min.js. Let's just double check it's actually in here. Okay, I can't find the requested file. Okay, it just doesn't exist. So let's just go directly to the actual server. Yeah, it's just not there. chess.min.js. So, okay, it just had the wrong URL. So let's just make sure. Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing. Curl O. We'll put that in. Wait. chess.js. Just want to make sure. Yeah, I just want to keep things chill. Just see what we can do in a couple of hours. See, the thing is with AI, sometimes you kind of want to just restart. And like sometimes with AI, it's interesting. Like you kind of just want to throw everything away and just like restart it. So I literally might go through the process of just deleting this code and just letting it try again, just to like literally rewrite the entire application. But I mean, it did do everything I asked it to do. So it looks like it has the right chess logic in there. And it's actually thinking through and showing me what it's thinking. Okay. So we're going to just... Problem is when I run it. Okay, now it's actually working. That's sick. All right, perfect. All right, now it's going to read it. I think it has this file here now. So I can probably delete this other file. And now it should recreate the path to the actual file containing the game. One thing I haven't done yet, I haven't set up GitHub or any Git for that reason, any version control here. So that might be a good idea at some point to do that. Let's just see what we can do. Implementing game called turns, calls the color. Finalize. See, the thing is, if we could run QA, that would be freaking amazing to just be able to run that without any issues. I feel like I need a second monitor. Okay. You can just run it, dude. Just do your thing, you know? Grab the whole chess library, I don't care. So it's interesting because like I'm not really coding it. I'm just using this interface here and this interface here to be able to make it work. The other interesting thing is that with Claude Code, it made a chess game in like 10 seconds. It was seriously the easiest thing ever. So I'm really surprised to see Cursor struggling with this because it's, yeah, it just doesn't make sense. Like, why would Cursor struggle with this, given how everyone's given all this hype around ChatGPT-5, but it's not doing what it says it's going to do. All right. need to address the user's problem with chessmin.js being empty. Well, no, now it's in there. I'm just gonna delete that file. So make sure the paths are correct. And let's play chess. Sick. Let's play chess. I mean, I think the better way to do this is actually to use Whisper. So I can just talk into the computer and then it will... I also like how it's saying planning next moves. I don't know if this is because I prompted to play chess. It's already overcomplicated the shit out of this. So if it doesn't get it this time, I'll probably just restart and let it... Alright, so it did all that. I'm gonna say keep all. See, I think the biggest problem is that, yeah, this running, the way it's doing this is weird. I should have just said make a simple chess game for the beginning, but I prompted it to search the internet to find the best chess engine, which probably was a bad move. Because it's just complicating the shit out of this. Like, you just go to GitHub and like clone a repo. But instead it's deciding to do it from scratch. Okay. So now we have it running at 8001. Please work. Oh my god. We have chess. Let's debug. Can I take? Wow, that's pretty sick. So the colors of the pieces are incorrect. But we seem to have... Oh. Wait. Wait, I just took... I can move backwards. So... Okay, I think it thinks the white pieces... Wait. Yeah, the logic is wrong. So, it does check, which is great. I just think I also was curious why it did two different types of pieces. Rooks move okay. Wait. Okay. So watch this. This is kind of cool. So I have this thing called Super Whisper, and I can just this should be activated actually, but I'm just gonna do it. I forgot how to run it. Hold on. AI modules, configuration, toggle recording. This thing space. Wait. So the pieces are not the right color. There's black pieces on the top and white pieces on the bottom, and the move order is off. So what it's going to do is it's going to just put that in there, which is pretty sick. I should probably go grab my Super Agent API key, but I don't know if I want to type that in on stream or risk it, you know? Let's see if I can find it. Yeah, this is a sick tool because it's like I can just talk to it, which is pretty sick. I'm pretty sure I have the pro version of this, Super Whisper. Let me see if I can find it. I think I have it on my phone too. Settings. Okay. Super Whisper Pro. All right, I have my license key, but I'm gonna hide it on stream so y'all don't steal my shit. So let's just do that. You're gonna see my face for a second while I do this. Okay. And then I'm going to grab it, and then I'm gonna airdrop it. Okay, cool. Awesome. And then go over here to Super Whisper, pop it in. And now I am pro. Okay. Just gonna do the default. Delete this. It's kind of cool. I can just do other shit while the code runs. I mean, I think another step is going to be making it so that you can upload a photo. Oh, you actually can. Can you upload a screenshot to Cursor? Because that would be pretty sweet. Fixing the game constructor. Let's see what's going on. Orientation. I think it's interesting how the pieces are different too. Let's just keep all. So my background is as a software engineer, so. Okay, so white is at the top. Okay, let's try it now. So I move. Okay, hold on. So when I move one piece, it moves the other piece. So this logic is just. I want to know exactly what's happening though. So the king is now bishop. All right, I'm just going to say to it, please revisit all of the chess pieces logic. Make sure one side of the board is only black, the other side of the board is only white, and make sure when I click a piece from the white side, it moves, and ensure that the pieces are properly attributed to white and black. Damn. I feel like I'm living in the future, bro. Like straight up. This is exciting. Like the fact that I can just open up, I can talk to my computer and then have it actually like live code for me, which is pretty impressive. It's pretty exciting actually. I'm gonna make it so you can see my screen again, my bad. I think the best place to put me for this stream is going to be down here, because I want you all to see the code. Or maybe, yeah, that works. Okay. I mean, I think it's better actually put me in the top. So you don't really need to see the file type. Probably the bottom actually. Like I'm not the biggest part of this. It's more important is to see the code. And honestly, the output. I mean, this is like, it's pretty impressive. Okay. So we did that. Okay. Now it's doing what it's supposed to do. The buttons, like the style of the buttons are off. Okay, I think we now have a chess game. I mean, the move order looks correct. Let's see if we can put a check in. Wait. So everything kind of breaks. Let me see if I can put in a check. And then if I move something in front of it, also does a check. So it looks like we do have a functioning game of chess now. Let's make sure okay. Okay, cool. So let's see if castling works. So I go here, then here, and here. I take. I go there. Takes. Let's see if I can castle. Yeah. So castling does in fact work. And let's also see if checkmate works. So if I go here, so I can't move that piece, which is good. Takes there. I mean, one hard thing to do. Okay, so now, yeah, now my queen is stuck. So the chess logic is working properly, which is awesome. Let's see if I can do a checkmate. We have chess made with AI. So how am I gonna checkmate? I dug myself into a corner here, having to play this out my own. All right, there we go. All right, let's move there. And then I'm going to, wait. Oh. Oop. Okay. So I shouldn't be able to move the bishop, I can't. And now if I do checkmate, the game ends. Sick. Okay. I can also undo the move and flip the board. Which is all useful functionality. But it's interesting because now when I flip the board, the game is no longer over. Oh, it's because I undid the move. Okay. Let's see if I do that. Flip the board. No, it's actually the logic is sound. Okay. So that's pretty sick. We have a working game chess. So I'm gonna just say to it, make the pieces look nicer. Use the same pieces model from Lichess default. I wonder if it will be able to find it. Okay, I actually want to save this. Hold on. Before I go any further, I should probably just make sure this is actually saved. So I'm gonna run git init, git branch dot all. Okay. Git add -a, git push. Okay, git commit -a chess game setup. Man, it's been a while. Okay. Git push. So you guys can follow along if you want to. I'm just gonna get into GitHub. All right, hold on. I gotta put in passwords again, so please give me a second to cover my face. All right. Update password, yeah. 47. Okay, cool. So now I have my GitHub that's open. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to create a new repository. Call it Chaos Chess. I don't think I need to git ignore. We don't need that. Create repository. Okay. So now I'm going to do git remote add chaos, add main in the URL, git push. All right, just copy this. So y'all can follow along at home. If I only push some refs, I'm just gonna do it again. Git branch dash A. What is the branch name? On branch main. Git push. Should be like setup stream main. Failed to push some refs. Maybe there's a GitHub integration here. Oops. I want to do that. Let's do source control. Commit. Username and git. Okay. Commit and push. All right, we're gonna do some more settings because I haven't coded on this computer yet. I mean, I will say this, it's much more enjoyable coding with AI than anything I've done in the past. Like doing this manually kind of sucks. It's not fun. All right, I think it worked. So now I have everything saved into Git, which is great. And now all I need to do is put my message in. Chess game works. Hello world. Okay. Cool. Now what do I do? Okay, check. Save. branch main has no row branch. We like to publish branch. Okay. Okay. Did that work? Git status show. Let's see if it's up here. Okay, so git log. All right, it's saved locally. I can live with that. Oh boy. All right. Enter the code displayed on your device. GitHub, a mobile app, also has a ChatGPT integration. Enter the code displayed on your device. That's weird. So, settings, code options, no. Doesn't display anything on my device, which is weird. Try this again. Doesn't actually show me a code. It's a bit of a bummer. Okay, fuck GitHub. We're just going to continue anyway locally. And so if shit breaks, then it breaks. Because right now I have a functioning game. Oh, wait. Okay, I found it. I found it. GitHub is working. This is like on your device. Wait. Source control. Okay. Okay, I had the code and now I lost the code. Publish branch. No. No. Publish branch. Create fork. Allow. Okay. Continue. Should say like from the cursor engine. All right, the device is now connected. So now I should be able to publish to GitHub. Big unlock there. Okay. Cool, so now I can publish branch. I don't want to create a fork. All right, fuck it, I'll make a fork. But you don't have permissions to push there. All right, fuck it, just get it up there. Empty repositories cannot refork. Okay. HTTPS. I don't want to do. Okay. Let's do this. Git remote add origin. git push -u origin main. Man, you guys are in the full. I'm not trying to reveal anything here. But don't worry, we're gonna get it set up and that'll be the end of it. Push -u origin main. I've done this so many fucking times. Like, it's just baffling to me that like I still can't easily push to GitHub from my computer. I've been through this so many times. It's crazy. Like, it really should be way simpler than what it is. Like, I distinctly remember running into this exact issue in the past. So fuck it. We're just not gonna worry about it. Okay, so let's go back to the game. And, all right, that's looking good. I'm gonna ask it to, all right, watch this. Find more beautiful pieces models similar to the ones they use on lead chess for the white and black pieces, and make sure one side, the black pieces only have black pieces and the white pieces only have white pieces. I wonder if it caught that hiccup. While that's doing that, let me get water. All right, so it wants me to add some SVGs. Okay, do it. There we go. So now it has the changes listed here. So I think it's telling me, it's showing me that I actually can change the chess pieces. Update the board. After that, I'll just CSS for proper sizing. Another issue is the line when you choose a piece. Sometimes it curves. I think it was the queen that did it. So if you go to here and then, actually, I think it fixed it. I'm also gonna pop this on my Instagram. See what it's doing and thinking. Sick. Okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna like give this thing access to do everything. Like it's like it wants the CD, it just wants to like do stuff. Let's actually see what these things are. So if I go into my projects, chaos chess, and the vendor assets pieces. I think these are just, okay, yeah, these are individual pieces of the chess. They're pretty small. I don't think there's enough of them though. I mean, let's just see what it can do. Yeah. Oh my god. It looks exactly like Lee chess now. This is so impressive. It's interesting how none of the square highlighting really makes sense. But okay, we have the basics. We can go back. Kind of want a forward button. I mean, chess is nice because it's like really easy to like computers understand it well. Commit. Added nice chess pieces. Save. Publish. Okay, so now I just want shit to get crazy. So now I have chess. There's a lot of things we can do and change, but now I want to get crazy with it. So I'm gonna say, add a chaos. Wait, add a timer. I want to make sure it doesn't add a chess timer. Chaos timer, which counts down to random intervals, which randomly adds. How do I phrase this? Add in a. No, I'm gonna just do this. I'm gonna do it this way. I'm gonna speak it. It'll be more fluid. Add in a chaos timer that has random intervals from 1 to 11 seconds, and every time it reaches 0, introduce a new, fun, and chaotic rule to the chess game that is entirely unique and changes the dynamic of the game. Add in 3 new rules, which each expire when a new rule is added into the game, and make the rules chaotic. While that's doing that, I wonder if ChatGPT dropped their model yet publicly. Because I know they're gonna drop it today, but Doesn't look like it. Which is cool. Creating chaotic chess rules is interesting and challenge. A complete move to types of pieces of pawn. It can place with a random piece regardless of position. See, it's kind of using the rules of chess, but I think that the challenge is going to be finding the right balance between like the chess pieces, or like the baseline game of chess and the actual chaos element of chess. So how do we make it fun and chaotic and new while still maintaining the baseline rules of the game? Because like a chessboard, you know, there is like a underlying rules of chess, which everybody knows, which is like you have check, you have checkmate. You know, you just have just the rules that everyone follows. Added a chaos timer. When it hits 0, new chaotic rule activated. Replace the previous one. 3 chaotic rules. Meteor strike. Immediately removes a random non-king piece. Power surge. After each move, upgrades a random friendly piece to a queen. Trickster swap. After each move, swaps the move piece with a random friendly non-king. After each move, swaps the move piece with a random friendly non-king piece. Okay. Let's play some chaos chess. Oh man, it's fast. Trickster swap. After each move, swap with a random non-king piece. Oh my god. Wait. Wait. A random non is obliterated on impact. Oh fuck, it took out my pawn. Oh no. Oh shit. This is actually fun. Wait. Okay, timer's too fast. Hold on. It's actually fun. Okay, hold on. This is fun. Wait, added first 3 chaos rules. Okay, cool. So this is saved. Okay, I'm gonna say, all right, let's do this. Slow down the timer to make it every 20 seconds and introduce 20 total brand new fun and chaotic rules and make them super fun, and also make it so if the king is taken, the game ends. I think the game, like, just king being taken makes it so that you can introduce a lot of, like, the goal is to capture the king. It kind of makes everything make sense in a way, you know? It's, it just kind of works, you know? So, I mean, can you guys even read any of these messages? Like, yeah. Funny thing is, I'm not even in the code base. It's really just this. Which is pretty sick, you know? Let's see what it's adding. Meteor strike. All right, those are already there. Teleport. After each move, a random piece might teleport to an empty square. Gravity shift. After each move, a random pawn or the mover advances 1 square forward if the space is empty. Okay. Mirror move. After a player moves, a random piece could mirror its position symmetrically along the center. If the mirrored square is empty and on the board, I'll move it there. Fog of War. I could hide opponent's pieces using a CSS opacity. A simple approach would be to trigger a fog for color. Yeah, that's I'm curious to see what actual changes it's making to the app. I mean, the suggestions are great though. I mean, it really does make it chaotic when you have an AI that's just like adding in random rules, you know? I think I should introduce microtransactions at some point, you know? Just make it so like we just have random shit that's being introduced. Like I think that it would be fun to just introduce random shit that happens all the time. So why is when I hold the control button, a sound happens on my computer? It's kind of annoying. Okay. Let fog of war. Force game message is empty. Force game over false. I mean, this is gonna cause so many bugs. Yes. Okay. All right. Chaos rules. All right, so it's actually organized it pretty nicely. All right, let's see what it does. Okay. Does it even do anything anymore? I guess this is also running it. So I got 2 games running right now. So you always start off the game with no issues. And then let's see what the chaos rule is. Well, it's interesting because like then the strategy becomes to, after you meet a random friendly pump, hops forward 1 square if it's empty after each move. Oh my god, dude, that is so chaotic. Oh fuck. Wait, did that? Wait, that's not a pawn, that's a bishop. Oh wait, after each move, swap 2 random non-friendly king pieces. Okay, shit. Well, I think it's always like, oh dude, that's so fucking crazy. Because it's interesting because like, you don't know what's gonna happen. Like I lost my queen. A random friendly pawn mutates into a, oh, that's amazing. Wait, so now I gotta account for that. Wait. So 1 mutation. So on click it mutates. I mean, I could just make it a simple rule that's like, where like the, after each move, a random friendly pawn hops forward 1 square. After each move, mutate a random friendly non-king piece into another type. I feel like I'm getting a lot of mutations here. Oh, it's because I'm in check. I mean, it's just, it changes the entire dynamic of the game. Okay. Healing Rain. 1 time summon a random minor piece for each side on a random empty home half square. 1 time. I think we should do is like it would be nice to have like Balatro style cards, which like that pop up and tell you like what's gonna happen. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do git commit -m, add in more random rules. Git add all. Okay, git push. Git status. Let me just double check the version control. I'm not fucking this up. Okay, cool. So now I want to make it so that, what's a good way to do this? Should I make it so that each card is maybe it's like playing cards where you can play the card into the game and you can see your opponent's hand. Yeah, like maybe that would make it fun. You know, we're like Balatro style, because it's just too fast. Like the rule changes. Maybe I can like click a card and then play the card. Would that be more fun, or would it be like better to? The problem is the card thing. I can't test it without like without it being like you know, just hard to test, if that makes sense. Because it like, I don't know, it's just interesting. I have one person watching. Are you real? Are you here? Or is it just me watching me? I can edit this. It's a lonely place in the live stream world, but that's okay. We're just beginning. I think this is a good idea though. Like I'm actually enjoying this. Okay, what should I do? Okay, I think we should just make it a standard interval of a game so that I normally play 3 minutes aside, but because it's like a more thinking game now, I'm gonna just say to it, okay, create a timer that is a countdown from 5 minutes so that each side has 5 minutes as it would be in a standard chess game. And if the player runs out of time, then they lose the game, and follow the standard rules for countdown timers and make it so that the timer is only relevant when I am moving, just like in chess. I think if you just make it like a standard time, it just simplifies development a lot. Because like if it's 10-minute chaos chess, then like just standardize it, you know? Like 5 minutes aside, you can do it pretty quickly. But then the question is like, if you're playing on mobile, the card thing may or may not make sense. Because like I have a pretty big iPhone. So if I'm playing like Lead chess, then I do have space for cards. I think there's plenty of space for cards actually. So if you were to if I just use the same exact UX as Lead chess, then you know, let me just see if this, okay. View changes. Error loading chess game, failed to load chess library from CDN. I think it's just the I can't believe I'm just telling a super intelligence how to make my game. That's pretty insane. But yeah, I mean, if you had like a combination of like Lead chess and Balatro, Like, I think that would be fun. Where you have like little cards and you can see what the other person has. Almost like jokers. I think they would work actually because they're not that big. Some nice drop shadow below it as well. And it kind of works on both styles too. Okay. Alright, cool. So the clock is okay, so then we have the chaos clock. I mean, this doesn't feel so different than like an offline chess game. Chaos 2-1 frenzy. After each move, a random friendly pawn mutates with a random piece. Oh wow! I just get a shit. Oh wow! I just got queen. I think it like we should also do like super cards. Yeah, like make it so it's like super. Any piece in the corner square is burned away. What? That's too funny. Like, after each move, a random enemy pawn advances one square if empty. Okay. Fuck. See, that can be like a good or a bad thing, though. Oh dear. It's so. Wait. See, this is what I mean. Like, I think some of these rules are just gonna be completely broken. Okay. So I'm gonna say to it, well, first of all, let me just get this commit in. Git commit -m. Timer introduced, but buggy. Git add -a, and then again. Okay. So, couple of things. One is the timer begins only when a piece is moved. Right now, it begins once the new game starts. The other thing is the chaos countdown only should begin when the game starts. And can you separate the chaos 20 chaos rules into let's do 3 different categories, which is common, uncommon, rare, and legendary. Actually 4 categories: common, uncommon, rare, and legendary. And include inside of the rarities, uncommon being the least powerful and legendary be the most powerful, and make it so that I know what level of chaos rule is currently in play by displaying common, uncommon, rare, and legendary below the chaos clock. See how it goes. Cause yeah, now that I think about it, like Balatro is the best. Balatro, all cards. All right. How many cards in Balatro are there? Wait. Oh, so these are like the assets from the game, which is presumably I can like grab. I mean, I wonder if I could just like, I mean, I guess I could theoretically use the Velatro cards as assets for the game, but that wouldn't be very, I don't know. The guy who makes Local Thunk seems pretty cool, actually. It's like, yeah, you have this, which is like a legendary. Velatro card classes. Let's just ask ChatGPT, actually. I'm into new project. I make a chaos chess. Alright, I'm just gonna keep everything in one place. What are the categories of Velatro jokers? In terms of rarity. Common, uncommon, rare, and legendary. Okay. And then what is the frequency of their appearance in the game by percentage? I don't think that's right. This is not correct. Because to get a legendary, you don't buy it in the shop. You have to get really lucky and find it in a pack. Yeah. Averaging 4 cards per deck, the chance to get at least one legendary pack is 1.2 to 1.5%. Okay. So legendary, we can do it this way. I'm just literally just gonna copy this. Rare should be 70, 25, 90. Wait. $70 plus 25 plus. I want to test it more though, so you know what? I think for now, let's just see what happened. Oh, available. Yeah, I am right now, dude. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna move Chaos Chess over here into my first one. Okay. Cool, now the countdown starts. We're playing normally. Okay, chaos and 5, 4. After each move, a random friendly rook slides one file left to right or empty, so that doesn't matter right now. So it's kind of cool that there's like rules that literally just don't do anything, which is dope. Because then it makes it like Opponent pieces are veiled. Common rarity. Okay. I think this one should be like a more... That is really... I mean, if you're not... The thing is, like... You're not getting... I don't think we should do any piece highlighting. So I'm just gonna do this in like one big prompt. Remove the piece highlighting on the squares. And then I'm also going to I mean, how does Lichess do it? Is Lichess's website down? It's weird. It's usually never down. I don't think they do piece highlighting. Okay, so they do like really simple. Dude, chaos chess is so much more fun than regular chess. It's not even close. Watch. Like once you play chaos chess, you just, every other kind of chess just is so freaking easy. Because you don't need to bother with playing, with doing it. Okay. So now he's got me in a... I don't think it's a bad position, but we're just gonna... If he does that, I'm gonna take that. This is double attacked if I go there. Okay. I'm gonna move here. Okay. I'll block off that. And then we're going to... I don't know what that move's about. Oh shit, you can just take with the knight. Whoops. That's free. I don't know where he puts this knight now there. Okay, that's annoying. Take there. And then I'm gonna go here and just remove it from the board. I'm losing. But the pre-moves are nice too. It's gonna be hard. Not hard, it's gonna be... No, I can actually do it locally. It's just hard to know because I don't have multiplayer in there yet. Okay. Gonna attack. Gonna attack. My only hope is to attack. Okay. I actually see an opportunity to mate here. Let's do that. Moves the knight. Or a king, yeah. That goes there. Okay. I kind of want to just take this pawn. Okay. Let's do this. I just need to attack. He's got to move his knight. He did move his knight. And quite beautifully, actually. Now he's going to move his knight back. He didn't move his knight back. Oh, shit. Nice move, bro. Because then if I take the... Fuck, that's a good move. Let's mate. Okay. Damn, good move. Damn, really good move. Hopefully he doesn't see it. Take my queen. Don't take that and take my queen. Oh boy. Okay. He did that. Oh, now he takes... Oh wow, this is actually a really good position. Hold on. We might have a game here. And then there. I think I should just actually, now that I think about it, I think I should change the stream to chess. Like, I don't see, I mean, the thing is with software development is that there's nobody really in here. So can I change the category? Category, chess. Chess. I'm just gonna put it into chess. Right? I think that's more accurate. So okay, cool. So now it's in the chess room. Now it's in chess. So, okay, cool. Let's go back to this. So now we have, okay. I need that. All right. So we have that, and then the chaos countdown. So it's interesting because like the beginning of the game moves with promote to queen. After turn, swap 2 random friendly non-king pieces. Okay, so that one's swapped. Okay. So like there's like an advantage to like healing rain. 1 time, summon a random minor piece for each side of random square. It's really hard to keep up at this speed though. I mean, I just don't know what the right cadence is. I mean, I guess I could install a chess engine and then like play out the games faster. Like use AI to build AI kind of thing. That's actually not a bad idea. Okay. this? Okay, we're gonna use that. We're gonna use Notion. Okay, I'm just gonna my personal. I'm just gonna keep like an open. Just use a Google Doc actually. It's like we don't even need Notion. It'd be like a Google Doc. I'm gonna say give players Balatro style cards to play against their opponent. Dude, honestly, after using, I think I'm just gonna continue typing like this. This will be like my idea board. Okay. All right, let's continue playing. Let's do this. Okay, so I'm gonna say to it, list all of the possible rules on the left side of the screen and highlight the rule which is currently active. And I want the description of the rules as well, and use different colors for the different levels of rarity. This should help us like figure out what rules it's actually running. Okay, cool. Okay, so now it's making the updates. Chaos panel. So you have the chaos rarity, the chaos rules, the chaos countdown. Dude, this is gonna be a lot of fun once this is live. All right. It'd be great if I could do Vim in here. Okay. Okay, so these are the rules. Jester. Random non-key piece is okay. So these are the chaos rules that it's going to do. I think I mean, it's just like a nice chess game until shit gets weird. After each move, one of your mover's pieces upgrades to a queen. Rare. After each move, one of mover's pieces upgrades to a queen. One of the mover's pieces upgrades to a queen. Oh my god, that's so powerful. It's so unfair. Wait, that one's already gone? So I didn't get a queen, only he did? I think I should post this on like Reddit on the chess community. Oh, it's actually really annoying. Wait, why did it undo it? Does undo actually work even with the chaos rules? It kind of paused at some point, but oops. After each move, a random friendly bishop slides. Okay. How does Balatro do it? So Balatro, you can purchase from the shop. I'm gonna send these to my girlfriend. Okay, let's do this. I think I just want to like, yeah, make it so that the pieces, yeah, I think I want to add that cursor in. I mean, I don't want to do. I'm gonna say give each side Balatro style cards containing the chaos, each containing one chaos rule, which when they click to play it, activates the rule. Okay. And it lasts for 20 seconds. So instead of the chaos, there we go. Okay. I don't want to do that. I mean, I guess I could, but I don't. I mean, actually, having an AI play the game would be super nice, but I think that's just going to be a lot of maybe it won't be. I don't know, actually, because if AI can just play the games, then I can test it faster to see what. And it's basically an agent, but I should probably do that on its own branch. Like have a branch where I develop the game myself and then have another one where I have the AI play. Like a testing branch, an AI testing branch. White hand. Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty simple cursor pointer. I had anyone watching, but that's okay. It's currently altering the code, so. The actual amount of code output is actually really impressive. The fact it all works is fucking dope. Let's see if that'll fix that. Okay. So the chaos clock is now separate than the actual card play, which might be great. Damn. So that one's buggy. Okay, I kind of like the cards idea now. Okay. Because not knowing what's going to come kind of defeats the strategy. So it's like... Okay, so I think I'm actually gonna do that. Okay, so I don't want random rules introduced anymore through the chaos countdown timer. What we want to do is make it so that each side, the black cards being above the black pieces and the white cards being symmetrical to the other cards on the white side, they get dealt a hand of 3 cards, and on click, that rule then applies, and they can click on the card to play it, beginning a unique countdown for that specific rule that is in play. So if black plays all 3 of their cards, it will start 3 separate countdowns on top of the cards that lasts a unique amount of time per card. So each card needs to have a time in effect, and both players can both play all cards at the same time if they choose, or they can choose individual cards and they are each dealt a new card every 30 seconds. This is so fun. Let's see if this works. Dun, 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 dun. I think listing the... I don't even care what the rules are. I mean, I think eventually you want to get to the point where you can like have proper like combinations like Balatro. Like chaos cards. Yeah, they're called chaos cards. And then you can play them. I mean, you could even make a points-based game. No, that's stupid. Just make it chess. Make it chess. having some errors. It's kind of cool you can just do this. Like, actually, I shouldn't say it's kind of cool. I think this is fucking dope. It makes me want to code a lot more than I ever have in my life. This is very fun and cool. I mean, it would be so cool if I could turn this into a game and like, you know, was able to have a product. I mean, that would just be so amazing, you know? Because, I mean, this really unlocks a lot of possibility. I think you guys can still see me, but this is going to be a little bit further away. I'm going to plug in this bad boy. Live streaming this long is hard. On your Mac. Click screen mirroring. I can do this later. Let's get back to coding our game. There we go. Now we have cards. Everything looks like it's working properly. Okay. So it's interesting because, okay, now the game is way less chaotic, but also just kind of way more boring. Now you can just play chess. Opponent pieces are veiled or dimmed. Okay, yeah. Okay, there's gonna be a lot of bugs with these cards. So like, I need like unit tests to make sure. Okay, I'm gonna say Do not let the cards be double clicked. Each card is a one-time use and it disappears once the timer is completed. And also remove and make sure I know the chaos. No. And also make sure that the hold on. Okay. Make sure the cards cannot be double clicked. And I want there to be a bigger countdown on the cards. Make more space for the cards on the top and the bottom so that they are not overlaying on top of the chessboard. And make sure that the outline of the card is highlighted when it is active. Make it green. And then when it's below 6 seconds left, it's yellow. And then when it's 3 seconds left, it's red before it explodes after it's complete. Boom, boom. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. See if anyone's actually even watching this. So Twitch is a no-go. That's cool. We're gonna... Thing is with doing this on Twitter, nobody's like watches live streams really here. That's cool. Melting silicon. How about melting the world? Oh shit. Is it finally available? How does this guy get access? I want access. Okay. Let's see how the chaos just is cooking. Okay. After each move. Oh, it's so annoying. Ugh. Oh my god. It's infuriating, this rule. Boy, okay. Hold on. It's just gonna fill the whole board with pop. Okay, so now it's done. Okay. So make sure the card disappears once the countdown is over. And then also the letters and numbers no longer align with the chessboard. This is so fucking dope. I mean, after each move, the piece upgrades to queen. I can click both sides. So I wonder if, I mean, I think it would be more fun if you can play cards during somebody. Oh, that's a good effect though. Oh, so good. This is so cool. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. Night rain. This is so cool. Okay. We're getting some crazy sound effects too. I mean, is it actually running all those rules right now? Yeah. I like how it told me to. Okay, so let's do that. It's 5 minutes aside. One time, all queens vanish from the board. One time, all queens vanish from the board. So, okay. I think if I became obsessed with this, I could make this really good. After each win a random friendly rook. Game just freezes. Okay, let's do a new game. When I click new game, make sure to stop all the chaos rules and then give me new cards. Also make sure that more than one chaos rule can apply at any given time. Also go through the chaos cards and determine which ones should have a time and a countdown and which ones should be one-time use. And for the one-time use ones, make sure to not have a time limit associated. And then on click, it just boom, applies the rule and the card shakes and then poof, disappears. This is so fun. This is so cool. Oh man, this is gonna be so fucking dope. I think I could actually make this very cool. I mean, it feels pretty... So it's interesting because like the rule doesn't apply until the player moves, which is not what I want. I'm just gonna throw everything I got at you. See, I think it's just doing one. Veil of Shadows. Yeah, see, the cards disappear before they can even be played. I mean, I think the SVGs also have to be animated. Let's try it. Okay. Okay. One time, someone ran a minor piece. Okay, so you don't have to activate the things happening on click of a piece. There are some rules that once you click the card, it just happens immediately. Determine which rules this applies to and change their cards accordingly. Okay. Wait, what did I just say? There are some rules where you don't need to wait for the person to click the board. You can just apply the changes immediately. determine which cards those are and have them happen immediately without the player necessarily needing to move the piece. Actually, that's a good idea. Okay, let's see how this goes. After each move, a random non-friendly king teleports. after each move. Oh shit. Oh no. Dude, this is so fun. The whole board changes. Bishop slide. Opponent pieces are revealed, dimmed. Let's see. Okay, but you don't know who the opponent is. I'm just gonna try to reach endgame here. I think there's just too much happening at once for this to be like. Allow each player to start with 3 cards and have a maximum of 5 cards, and make sure that multiple rules and cards can be played at once by either player at any time. And make sure that the rules activate immediately and are applied immediately, and the board is updated properly, and the rules continue to apply for the full time period. This is crazy, dude. This is just the best way to code. Okay, so that's important, like, it's a bug. Say, make sure to save the state of the board so that when a piece is moved, it updates the board properly. Sometimes when rules are applied and pieces are moved, the board changes in ways it's not supposed to, or it goes back to a previous board state. So ensure that the board is being updated properly, and also doesn't revert back to an old way of doing things. Late. I mean, it's fucking impressive though. Like, this game now exists. You know? It's pretty cool. Let's see if I can get it up on GitHub. It's really annoying. Get started with GitHub Copilot. Can I just clone it? It used to be that I would just clone it. Very excited for this. Okay. 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 All right, I think I'm going to end the stream here.